Hi guys, this is Matthew. Today is 8th of January 2021. These are introduced to you guys the PIPSREAPER binary automated trading bots. These are latest automated trading bots. It's just one-time purchase. We won't be updating the bots. The bot is very effective and it applies a Martingale features. Here are some of the results of the bots. And we are going back to the trading section of the boat, and this is a link to order this boat, and these are the features of this boat. It works on deriv and binary.com, and this is a link to order the boat: binary PIPSREAPER boats.citytechnologies.com.ng. That's a link to order the boat. This is the website again, the binary PIPSREAPER boats.citytechnologies.com.ng. It's just 7.99 USD. There's a boat right here. There's a boat. As you can see, some of the results of the boat on live trading is very effective, and it trades with minimum stake, and it has been programmed already, so everything is automated. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, debit card, perfect money, bank transfer. And we are running a live trading section now. You can see some of the results of this boat right here. The boat has placed 159 and 54 trades. That's 154 runs, and it won 145. It lost just 9. You can see right here it's still profit. It's still profit. It has picked another trade there again. You can see it has picked another trade right there again. The boat is very effective. It has picked another trade again. The boat is very effective, and so all you need to do is to visit www.binarypipsreaperboat.citytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. We are going to paste this in the video decision on YouTube. Just click on the link, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies and more updates on the boats. We are not going to be releasing updates on this boat, so it's just a one-time purchase, and you have the lifetime license. It's just 7.99 USD. Is a Reaper boat, and it's very effective. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for upcoming updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.